There's a moment in every man's life when something breaks, not cracks, breaks. It could be betrayal, rejection, failure, being laughed at when you were dead serious, being ignored when you gave your all, watching someone you trusted turn into a stranger overnight. That moment is dangerous. Because most men don't rebuild. They decay. They become bitter, passive, emotional, weak. They start coping instead of conquering. But a few men, a rare few, take that same pain and turn it into power. That's where Machiavelli comes in. Not the watered-down quotes you see online, but the real brutal philosophy of power, control, and survival. These are not feel-good lessons. These are savage truths. And if you can handle them, they will turn you into something most men fear. Lesson 1. Your pain is useless unless you weaponize it. Machiavelli would laugh at your suffering, not because he's cruel, but because he understands something most men don't. Pain, by itself, means nothing. Crying about betrayal doesn't make you stronger. Talking about your struggles doesn't elevate you. Telling people how you are wrong doesn't restore your power. It only exposes you. The world doesn't reward wounded men, it rewards dangerous ones. So the question isn't what happened to you, the question is, what are you going to do with it? Did she leave you? Good. Now you're free. Did they disrespect you? Good. Now you've seen their true nature. Did you fail? Good. Now you know exactly where you're weak. Machiavelli believed that misfortune reveals opportunity, but only to men who are cold enough to see it. Your pain should not make you emotional, it should make you strategic. Every betrayal is data, every failure is feedback, every humiliation is a blueprint for dominance. Most men waste their pain. Kings invest it. Lesson 2, stop seeking love. Seek respect. This is where most men destroy themselves. They chase love, validation, approval. They want to be liked, accepted, admired, desired, and in doing so, they become weak. Because love is unstable. Love is emotional. Love can disappear overnight. But respect? Respect is calculated. Respect is earned through power, boundaries, and presence. Machiavelli made it clear. It is better to be feared than loved if you cannot be both. Why? Because love depends on others, respect depends on you. A man who is loved can be betrayed. A man who is respected is watched carefully. People don't cross men they respect. They think twice, they hesitate, they calculate. But when you're just the nice guy, you become expendable, replaceable, forgettable. This doesn't mean you become cruel, it means you become controlled. You speak less, you tolerate less, you react less. And when you do act, it's decisive. You don't need everyone to like you. You need them to think, I shouldn't play with this man. Lesson 3. Never reveal your full mind. One of Machiavelli's most dangerous ideas is this. Men are destroyed when they are too transparent. Broken men overshare. They explain themselves. They tell people their plans, their emotions, their intentions, thinking honesty will protect them. It won't. It makes you predictable, and predictable men are easy to control. If I know what you want, I can manipulate you. If I know what hurts you, I can use it against you. If I know your next move, I can block it. That's why powerful men are unreadable. Calm face, measured words, controlled reactions, you never fully know what they're thinking. And that creates power. Machiavelli believed a ruler should appear one way, but act another when necessary. Not because deception is evil, but because exposure is dangerous. You don't need to lie, but you don't need to reveal everything either. Silence is a weapon, mystery is armor, and restraint is dominance. Lesson 4. Weakness invites attack. Here's a brutal truth most people won't tell you. The world tests you, constantly. Not always physically, mentally, socially, emotionally. People push boundaries. They test how far they can go. They watch your reactions, and once they detect weakness, they exploit it. That's human nature. Machiavelli understood this deeply. That's why he believed that a leader must eliminate weakness quickly. Not slowly, not emotionally, but decisively. If someone disrespects you and you let it slide, you've just trained them to do it again. If you tolerate nonsense, you've just lowered your own value. Broken men often become passive. They avoid conflict. They try to keep peace. But peace without power is submission, and submission breeds more disrespect. Sometimes you don't need to shout. You don't need to fight. You just need to make it clear. That will not happen again. Through your tone, your action, your presence, and if necessary, your absence. Because walking away is power too, but only when it's done from strength, not fear. Lesson 5. Control yourself, or be controlled. It's about controlling yourself, your emotions, your impulses, your reactions. Broken men are reactive. They get angry quickly, they get attached quickly, they get distracted easily, and that makes them predictable. Weak. Machiavelli valued control above all, because a man who cannot control himself will always be controlled by someone else. If a woman can trigger your emotions, she controls you. If insults can provoke you, your enemies control you. If your desires override your discipline, you are owned by your impulses. An unstoppable man is not emotional. He is calculated. He feels everything, but shows only what is necessary. He doesn't chase. He chooses. He doesn't react. He responds. And most importantly, he never loses himself. Because once you lose control of yourself, you've already lost the game. Now here's where everything changes. Because knowing these lessons is one thing. But applying them, that's where you separate from the average man. This is where you stop being broken and start becoming dangerous. Because the truth is, Machiavelli wasn't teaching men to be evil. He was teaching them to survive in a world where naive men get crushed. And if you've ever been betrayed, disrespected, used, or overlooked, then you already know. The world doesn't reward softness without strength. It consumes it. So the question now is not whether these lessons are harsh. The question is, are you tired of being the man who gets overlooked? Or are you ready to become the man people think twice about? Because once you truly understand what it means to operate with control, strategy, and power, you stop asking for respect. You start commanding it. And that's when the shift happens. That's when people start watching you differently. That's when silence becomes louder than words. That's when your presence alone starts to carry weight. But there's a darker side to this transformation. A side most men aren't prepared for. Because when you stop being easy to manipulate, when you stop being predictable, when you stop being available to everyone, people will start to react. They will question you. They will test you harder. They will try to pull you back into your old self, and if you're not careful, you might fall right back into the same patterns that broke you in the first place, because transformation isn't just about becoming stronger. It's about surviving the resistance that comes after. Lesson 6. People prefer the old you because he was easier to control. When you change, people notice. Not always with word, but with energy. The same people who were comfortable ignoring you suddenly feel uncomfortable around you. The same people who benefited from your weakness start questioning your growth. They'll say things like, "Why are you acting different? You've changed. You're too serious now." What they really mean is, you're no longer easy to control. Machiavelli understood something most men ignore. People don't always want your growth. They want your familiarity, because the old you was predictable, safe, harmless. But the new you, he sets boundaries. He doesn't tolerate nonsense. He walks away without explaining, and that makes people uneasy. So they'll try to pull you back, not always aggressively, sometimes subtly. Jokes, guilt, pressure, emotional manipulation. And if you're still seeking approval, you'll fold. You'll shrink yourself just to keep people comfortable. That's how men relapse into weakness, not because they lack strength, but because they lack the courage to stand alone. You need to understand this. Growth is lonely. Power is isolating, and that's the price. Lesson 7. Revenge is weak. Strategy is supreme. A broken man wants revenge. He wants to prove a point, to show people they were wrong, to make them regret everything they did to him. But Machiavelli would tell you, revenge is emotional, and emotion clouds judgment. When you move out of anger, you expose yourself. You become impulsive, predictable, sloppy. That's not power, that's desperation. Real power is quiet, calculated, delayed. It doesn't rush, it doesn't react, it waits, and then moves with precision. Instead of trying to destroy your enemies, outgrow them, outbuild them, outposition them. Make yourself so elevated that they become irrelevant, because the ultimate form of dominance is not revenge, it's indifference backed by superiority. When they look at you and realize they can't reach you anymore, they can't affect you anymore, they can't compete with you anymore, that hits harder than any revenge ever could.